Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 E53 AMG 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath it is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, turbo 4MATIC badging on the fender, black Dynamica with red stitching interior, AMG carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with heated seats in the front and rear seats, AMG E53 badging, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors and parking assist, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB ports, our exhaust, touchpad and control for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E53 has 7,053 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E53 AMG 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.